Hi, teacher. My name is Diana Clavijo. Next, we will talk about the end of the story. Okay, Susan waited to keep fighting to win back Joy's love. After 3 months fighting, Susan was walking through the park in Grand Eaton and Hall Spring for college. They began to get out to talk. Anders visited her. 2 months later, they fell deeply in love and become boyfriends. 3 months later, Andres decided to spend the rest of his life with Susan and asked her to marry him. They got married, had a beautiful family, and lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you, teacher.